Hey guys, wanna know how to add clips to your timeline in DaVinci Resolve? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, simply make sure you have DaVinci Resolve workspace opened. And once you're there, now in order to add or import any clips, just simply select this import icon right here and make sure you are on media pool as well. Now once you've clicked on it, there should be File Explorer opened. Now head towards your folder and open any video that you like. And once you've done that, on the master you can see this clip right here. Now in order to add it to the timeline, just simply drag and drop it to this thing right here, which is known as the timeline. Now once you've done that, as you can see, there is a preview as well. Now you just simply press play with this button and there you have it. Now your clip has been successfully added to the timeline. There's more you can do, such as go to this edit icon right here. And once you've done that, there are various options you can choose from. Either copy and paste it right here. Press Ctrl C, press Ctrl V to copy and paste it, and then just overlay it as well. See, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.